Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. Today I'm bringing you guys one more episode for the food series, and that will be the episode 6. I hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe itself, and let's get into this. It's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe itself. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share with your friends and family members. Turn your notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. Follow me on Instagram, DM me for any ideas for content and everything, you know guys. DM me, I'll answer you guys. And yes, be safe. Peace out.